guys, what's up? How have you all been? I am so excited right now. Something awesome is happening in my life at the moment. Not that awesome also, because I know some of you will start speculating things. So I just tell you it's not that awesome, but I am really excited about it, okay? So I will not tell you about this right now. I will do a separate vlog on this. So yeah, just keep watching this channel out. I'm like really happy today, okay? Now, starting with today's video, guys, today I have designed a very simple skincare routine. Very simple, okay? A very simple skincare routine to give you glowing, radiant skin. Specifically very useful if you have slight acne marks, a little bit of tanning, uneven skin tone, pigmentation, dullness. It happens to all of us from time to time, right? Like right now, if you see my skin has gone back to being so bad. So I will just share this routine with you all today. And while I'm sharing this routine with you all, I will also be doing it on my face, so you can just like kind of follow it with me. Now, let me just spray my face with some water. This is not a part of the routine. You can just go to the bathroom and just wash your face with water. I wanted to do this on video, so you know. Anyways, so the first step of the routine is obviously cleansing your face, and what I'm using here is a salicylic acid gel based face wash. You can also use an AHA BHA cleanser. This gel face wash, it's much better for my dry skin, but if you have oily or normal skin, you can use an AHA BHA cleanser as well. But keeping that aside, guys, since we are doing this routine, I'll just quickly ask you a very important question. Are you using chemical peels? I know I've talked about chemical peels in a lot of my videos, but they're genuinely very good. It just helps in removing all the bad stuff and, you know, activating your body's natural healing mechanism to give you good skin. It's a very, very good thing. Okay guys, so done washing my face. Here's how I'm looking right now. The next step, you can do it like 3 times a week. So this is what I have experienced, guys, okay? So when I have my skin looking extremely dull or uneven skin tone is happening, I actually start using face masks thrice a week. Otherwise, once or twice a week is also enough. But when you have extremely dull looking skin, start using face masks thrice a week. So which face mask to use? Again, you can use a chemical exfoliating face mask, Upton mask. So Upton is something which is really good for just cleaning up your skin in a very natural, light, nice way. So I'm just gonna keep this on for about 15 minutes, wash it off and get back to you guys. And here I'm, guys, done washing my face. So you know, the other day I was, by the way, I'm using rose water as a toner to just tone my skin. It also helps in picking up whatever might be remaining of the face mask that I just applied, okay? Now, the other day I was talking to a friend, and I want to share this with you all. Okay, the other day I was talking to this friend of mine, and here's what I want to share with you all. So we started talking about, you know, beauty and all things beauty, and one of the things that she said that Prachi, skincare is actually so much more important, especially as you grow older. So you know, when you're 15 years old, when you're 16, 17 years old, makeup looks like a quick fix, okay? That, okay, I can just wear makeup, look good and forget about everything. Nobody's gonna know about that pimple or that mark or anything over here. But as you grow older, it becomes even more and more important to genuinely have good skin instead of, you know, looking for a quick fix. And I'm like, I have always been into skincare. Like, makeup is a part of it and I enjoy makeup sometimes, but for me, skincare is a very important part. So I really want to know your take on this, guys. How do you feel about this? Are you someone who immediately reaches out to makeup when you see something going wrong on your face? Or is skincare and repairing your skin, recovering your skin from it is what you look for? Okay, so done toning my face. What I'm going to do now is, see, my skin is already looking better. Also, I just applied some lip balm because I realized how dry my lips were looking. But skin immediately starts looking much better just by cleansing and everything, right? Okay, so guys, before I move to the next step, are you using sheet masks? If not, please write it down. Please start using sheet masks. 2 or 3 times a week is also enough, but well hydrated skin will really look much better and will also heal faster, okay? Alright, now moving to the next step, which is using a serum. So we are done cleansing, we are done using a face mask. Now we'll be using a serum. Which serum to use? Look for any serum which contains niacinamide. Niacinamide, like I've told you guys, it's very, very good for closing the pores, for dealing with acne marks, for controlling excess sebum production, niacinamide or vitamin B3. It's also found in avocado and it's very good for your skin. And number 2, look for a serum. Now okay. Let me talk about that one by one. The next ingredient that you absolutely need to look for is vitamin C. So vitamin C is found in oranges, amla, and so many awesome fruits, and so many other things actually found in nature. And vitamin C is absolutely fantastic for dealing with pigmentation, for controlling the excesses excessive melanin production in your skin, which often leads to, you know, the patchy skin, the sun tanning and everything. So vitamin C is great for giving you clean, radiant looking, glowing skin. Okay, now the reason I'm really excited talking about this is because I keep getting questions that, Prachi, can I use vitamin C and can I use niacinamide together? Can I use vitamin C in the morning and niacinamide at night? And you know, all of these questions I keep getting. You can actually, there's a serum which I have here with me. This one contains vitamin C, and so it's a 10% vitamin C face serum designed for skin radiance, and it also contains 5% niacinamide. It also contains hyaluronic acid, so that's great for keeping your skin extra hydrated, extra supple, extra soft, extra awesome, extra nice, and everything awesome. This was also from the same brand, the Dermaco, just like my face wash was. So the Dermaco is a brand designed by dermatologists, right? So it's a very safe, effective, scientific brand. They honestly disclose their important active ingredients like 10% vitamin C, 5% niacinamide, like you just saw. The brand philosophy is live life without filter. So, you know, like for someone like me who reaches out to skincare before I move to, makeup, this is something like, it's a brand philosophy that I, you know, personally really vouch for myself. Now, I'm just applying the serum. I'll just take a little bit more. And serums are very, very effective, guys. They contain actives and they are very good. They go into the deeper layers of your skin and give you rejuvenated, happy looking skin. And I think this should be a part of everybody's skincare routine, men, women, young, old, everyone, because it really can change your skincare game. So please don't ignore serum. Don't avoid using serums in your skincare routine. Serums can be so good. So this is also something which you use in the morning and at night. Guys, I'll put the link for the serum in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you get it directly from the Dermaco, you can get 20% off by using this coupon code SWS20. Otherwise, it's also available on various e-commerce websites, but you know, 20% off course, so might as well get it from the Dermaco itself. Okay, so done using my serum, and obviously then we need a moisturizer. Now guys, when it comes to moisturizers, I am using a ceramide based moisturizer because ceramide is great for people with dry skin. If you have oily skin, you can look for a moisturizer which contains vitamin C, like a previous, you know, like a serum, or you can simply use a moisturizer with niacinamide. I've just told you the benefits of these ingredients, so you know, whichever one you think is more important for your skincare routine right now. These are the kind of ingredients you can look at, and I'm just gonna massage this oil. Just give me a second, guys, and please don't mind my hair. Don't mind my hair, just ignore that, you know, that's happening at the back. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, that's it. So that is a routine. Now I'm not stepping out right now, so I will not be wearing a sunscreen, but of course it goes without saying, start using a sunscreen. Make sunscreen a very important part of your skincare routine, even if you're stepping out for a bit, even if you're gardening in your balcony. And like me, I didn't take care and my skin has really gone bad. So hopefully it'll get better soon, you know, if I keep following this routine myself. Very simple routine, like I just told you guys. Apart from the concepts shared over here, guys, I also want to quickly mention that drinking lots of water, keeping your body hydrated is very important, because it also helps in keeping your skin hydrated, right? Obviously the body's mechanism allows your skin to be more hydrated when it's well hydrated inside. Eating the right food is very important, so I've done a separate video on right foods for skin and things like that, what I eat in a day. So I'll link all those videos down in the description box below if you want to check it out. And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.